Yeah. You know you're the only one, cat. The only one, cat. The only one. Only one, you know. Check this out, you know. Me and my usos, you know. We wanna know. We wanna make some relations. Right now. But we wanna go right now before the sun go down. Tell me now. You know why though, huh? That boy Victor, him always run around crazy without a girl. And him Benjamin, he's always crazy naturally. But I'm okay, me tell you the right story. Me want you right now before it's time go down, you know. Tell me.
I wake up in the morning, still no girl by me side. Today is the day, me lucky day to give it one more try. I put on my shoes and got the keys to my ride. I cruise to town to look around to find a girl so fine. And then I see her walking by, fatally mine. I want to take you around the island for a ride. And then I see her walking by, fatally mine. I'm gonna make this girl mine, oh mine. Before the sun goes down, suga, teine, tali, mine. Don't let the sun go down, please, teine, be mine.
So what y'all say right now? You ready to come? With the whole stance of Samoa, you know. We got Loli, he's driving. He's crazy, but you'll drive. We got cars, food style. He will tell you so many stories. But we need it before the sun go down.
Beautiful smile got me so hypnotized. A girl so fine like you around should be by my side. I know you feel it too, cause I see it in your eyes. So come with me, my baby, please, I'll make your world complete. And then I see her walking by, fatally mine. I want to take you around the island for a ride. And then I see her walking by, fatally mine. I'm gonna make this girl mine, oh mine. Before the sun goes down, suga, teine, tali, mine. Don't let the sun go down, please, teine, be mine.
Baby girl, be tired of thinking, waiting for the sheet. Running at her work, sugar, sweet, lemon for me tea.
Tell me, girl.
To make up your mind.
Tell me, girl.
For me at that time.
The only one for me now.
For me all the while. Sugar, if I buy a bow, what on ulo ma fau fau. Whatever the air, abia lo la le le fai mo wow. Se kope mai lau kali ua sao le pong isa. Just utter the words me needs for me to be your papa.
Well, the day has gone, I can't make up my mind which beautiful girl I'm gonna take home tonight. But then I see her walking by,